Oh man, it's such a beautiful day in Gary's town. It's so amazing. It just can't get any better. Who's this peculiar fellow? No! Hey, no, you can't do that.
Okay, I gotta go. I really gotta go. Please, I gotta go. Please.
Okay, hope that guy dies.
I just killed him down before. No. Oh, the boys are gonna be so freaking scrabbles. No.
I actually hate my wife so much. Hey, did he just ram a red light? We got a case of somebody running a red light.
Available units to clear and head up that way for me, please.
Damn, this guy looks like a big fucking whore. Yo, can you, explain what you're doing? You just ran a red light. That doesn't even fucking exist. You can be totally honest with me, and it's gonna be fine, okay?
For your information, the vehicle was last seen heading eastbound on State Street.
Some patrol, huh?
Copy that, Bravo 33. Units have detailed and are en route. Channel 3 be advised. We're receiving numerous calls from the public reporting a speeding vehicle. Description matches wanted suspect. He was last seen northbound on State Street.
Excuse me, sir, do you want this vehicle?
This is not my car. I'm using it as an Uber. Please, I've been doing this for 7 years.
Listen, kid, I mean, person, you're not really doing honestly. Wait. Oh, jeez, go the pamphlet.
Dispatch, this is Charlie 2-4.
Looks like his insurance is not going to cover that.
Oh, that white car, you look like a nerd. Oh no, my friend Jerry! No!
Did I just hit a barrel or something? Oh no, I hit a police car. Oh no! No!
Yeah, confirmed it's a vehicle code 3 chase.
So this band is gonna get the leggy of the leggiest.
You guys, I'm in downtown Texas. Best day ever in my life. Oh my God, who's that guy? Oh my God, what did he do? Wow, this views are really amazing. I wish I actually lived here. I just came here for a business trip. Oh no, they got the entire department on me.
I'm on that speeding vehicle call. He's not stopping.
You know what, I'm gonna kill this car guy. You know what?
It's gonna fucking explode.
The fuck?
Oh jeez, I'm gonna get the Roman execution today.
Dispatch, this is Charlie 2-4, closing in from the south Back on him, he's still running. On six.
I gotta go get this guy. I gotta go. Ah!
Oh no, my dresser!
Whoa, what is that police car doing?
There's something right behind me, isn't there? Oh, there is. Oh no.
It's gonna fucking explode!
Disregard that, I got the details on my screen.
Today's my last and final day. Oh
Detailing units now.
no. What the barnacles? Traffic. No, I can't do this.
What the fuck are you doing? Kill yourself!
Drop back, give me some room. I'm gonna take this guy out.
Ruh-roh, this is when I die.
Hey, bud, watch where we go!
Worst day of my life.
Advise driver is a flight risk.
You won't stop getting away!
Just behind that reported driver. 1042, I'm gonna try to get him in now. I can't keep up. This guy's pulled away.
Where's my little home?
1023 with a pursuit, assuming control. Echo 10. Pulling up right behind you.
The next news story is about this weird-looking car who killed 15 people. Enjoy!
Yeah, I'm going with that maneuver. I'm gonna try and disable his car.
It turns out, I'm done.
Give me everything you got, dispatch. Working a hard time with this guy.
As Illinois State Police and several suburbs that are coming out on this as well. Several times
Dispatch, more units to the backup request. You're gonna need everything we got.
Video protected.
medical menace in Liberty City continues. Quite widely reported. X-ray 9. Request an update on your situation.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
Yeah, tell that to the judge.